So you know how I said the side-by-side would be used for farm work, and it's going to be a tool on the farm. It's already been a tool on the farm. Look at all the dust on here. We're down here and Paul's cutting up some trees that have fell over the fence. Waylon just pulled up beside me here. Yeah, we had a storm last night. We've got several trees here that we need to cut it down that before they fall on the fence too, but push the fence down pretty good right there. I think it could be stretched back up though. Paul's needing a haircut. And we've got another one right on down around the corner there. Across the fence. From that tree right there, and we need to cut the rest of it. You can see it's dead too. And there's several others over here, so we said we need to get down here one day and make a day of it and cut all the rotten ones. Fall in the opposite direction, so they don't fall over the fence next time we have a big storm. And the ones that we can use for wood, we'll use for wood.
I just have to raise it up here, babe.
Yeah, I said I thought it could be raised up. Yeah.
Boy, man, that grapevine's about to tie up. Literally. That got around my feet on how many times? Whew. I can tell I'm an old man. Okay, let's go get that other one off of it down there.
Waylon brought you a water.
We can get through here.
Waylon brought you a water.
I've got a water there. But I appreciate it. Brought my water jug, buddy. We can get through there side by side now. I'll take tractor and move all
that. See, he put it in here.
Yeah.
That's what I was telling you. This is a great tool for us, and we needed it.
You bet. We did. And we do. It's just the beginning.
He still got him pretty good cough, don't he?
Yeah, he does.
Another one right there that had been cut off the fence.
Yeah,
Jeremiah cut that one off.
Yeah.
Usually he'd be down here doing this. Now it's our job because he's went on to glory. So hard to say and believe. Anyhow, we've got, I think, one more down here.
Yep.
Got quite a bit of water in it, and there's several puddles today that had quite a lot of water, so we must have got a little bit of rain.
There's two big trees down there that fell, babe.
Yeah.
Went the opposite way, thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
Them big trees there. We get this haircut out of the way.
See, now if you didn't have something to ride back here, you'd be having to walk from one end to this other. It might not seem far when you're driving, but when you're walking it is, especially when you're getting up in your 60s and 67. And
Yeah.
so it was long overdue. other one that's across there. We'll get out and get that cut off.
Yeah, we can go that high no more. That's 30 foot.
He's looking at his stand there. We got to get some new straps put on it. 30 foot up. He said he don't think he wants to go that high anymore, so he'll lower that one when he puts new straps on it this time. Waylon coming back there. We've got to come back here one day and bring a trailer back here, and we've got several thorn trees that we've got to cut out of the field. We're going to take them and burn them. Oh, there's that one down. Clear us a path around here. This is where we drive around to take the fence. So we got one more down there. It's not a very big one, see it?
Yeah, I guess so. I didn't think that one was there the other day.
I didn't think so either. I thought this was the last one. I thought this was last one.
So did I. That'd be good wood though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, be good wood.
What kind of chainsaw is that one?
That's a Husqvarna 365 special. You and I bought that together.
In case anybody asks.
Yeah. And boy, it's been a dandy. It's been a dandy.
That one over there is uprooted.
Yeah.
Those were the ones we were back there saying had fell. We was glad they fell the other direction, but there was a limb right. Yeah, that would have definitely took the fence out.
There's another one over to the right.
Yeah.
Two that fell, baby.
Yeah.
During that same time, I guess. That storm, man.
And buddy, we've got a lot of money in fence and fence posts, and
Yeah.
so
We do. We do.
there's 5 or 6 row of barbed wire here, and 5, I guess, the one with hot wire on the bottom. I said that one back there was our last one, and I guess this is our last one. That one back got his leg. Scared me. Thought that one was going to catch your leg. Scared me.
Wasn't sure we kept rolling.
Yeah, I did.
Kept rolling.
Well, good. I'm at least glad it wasn't them big ones there. That could have been a lot of damage. Thank you, Jesus, that they went the opposite way. That was a blessing.
Yeah, they would have broken me. They all just knocked it down some, you know. We can straighten that up, untie the
Yeah.
tie on it and take it back up.
Paul said we just got that done. We don't have any trees on the fence unless one just fell. There's enough older ones down there still that might be a possibility for daylight, but I don't think anytime soon. Hopefully. But that project's done. We heading to the house. Paul said he could eat. He's hungry. See, we go. Wood all over the place have to cut up.
Yep.
The trees are falling left and right. Y'all take care.